Welcome everyone back to Under the Ears. I'm Juliet and I'm going to be making Chef Mickey's breakfast pizza. I'm going to go through the ingredients right now. You need a 1/4 cup of heavy cream, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of mozzarella, 1/2 cup of provolone, and 1 cup of shredded cheese. So let's get started. You start by turning on the oven to preheat at 375. You take the 2 eggs and you're going to kind of beat them a little bit. Now I use a big bowl like this. You'll see when I add the cheese. Okay, you add the milk, or the heavy cream, sorry. Okay. And they actually have you in the recipe combining all 3 of the cheeses in another bowl, but I'm just kind of thinking less is more here. And add the cheeses together. And incorporate them well. As you can see, it kind of gets thick really quickly. So you just want to make sure that it's all mixed with the eggy, milky mixture. Okay. And then you're going to take the crust and you're going to pour this right in the crust. I'm using parchment paper, and I actually use a roasting rack to do pizza in the oven because, well, it still can get, okay, well this is, there we go. And just spread it all out relatively evenly. And this will get popped into a preheated oven at 375, which I've got going. After, we'll let it bake for about 10 to 12 minutes. Kind of goes by what it looks like. So let's pop that in the oven. Okay, so we're back and I've pulled the pizza from the oven. It's one of the reasons I love the parchment paper is you can just move it. And then I'm going to use a knife. That looked pretty, but you can see how it's done. Now, one of the reasons I love this is because it's really versatile. You can add all kinds of things to it. I've added ham, I've added lightly sauteed vegetables, bacon, and there you go. That's Chef Mickey's breakfast pizza. Have a nice day, and like, share, and subscribe. And please, in the comments down below, let me know what you want me to cook next. Thank you. Have a good day.